I'm 29 years old. I got vaccinated. I got my first jab. So that is exciting. It's quite reassuring.
Actually, right now, what I have noticed is that every evening BMC is releasing few slots.
We got in touch with Shweta Ramesh and Dhruvi Sangvi to share their experience from registration to their first vaccine dose.
So I stay in Chembur, and the closest would be either BKC or Rajawadi, and Rajawadi Hospital showed that it's sold. It's booked out. And I refreshed the page again, and I don't know if it's luck or what, but 70 slots popped up on BKC COVID facility center. So yeah, I immediately booked for myself and my sister. I think in 30 seconds, when I was trying to book for my helper again, it just sold out. So it was literally it's like fastest finger first.
I have never ever received my OTP on a CoWIN app. I have always received through Arogya Setu. Arogya Setu app and CoWIN app both are not very user friendly because again and again you have to add your OTP and again the registration. The entire thing I might have done like you can say 50 times.
I was on CoWIN because I think it's easier to book through CoWIN than Arogya Setu, because Arogya Setu you have to put in your PIN code. So at least on the CoWIN website, you can just put Mumbai, Maharashtra, and it'll show you a list of all the centers. So if a person even wants to go to like a Nair hospital in Mumbai Central, they can do that. It's seen immediately. But with an Arogya Setu, you won't really have the time to put each and every PIN code and check by the time it's gone.
Actually, right now, what I have noticed is that every evening BMC is releasing few slots. Like first day it was 1,000, on second it was 2,500. Like for today also it was 2,500.
The BKC centers in the open ground, I was surprised that there were hardly any people. Also because, slowly the BMC is increasing the number of people who are getting vaccinated. And everyone was literally standing at like 3, 4, 5 feet distance. And most of them were double masked. And few of them were wearing like face shields. So that distance was maintained. Very few people who got vaccinated was less than half an hour.
There are people who are just standing because they have registered and they have not got an appointment. There were people who were just standing over there trying their luck.
So when you're booking a slot, you get an appointment slip that you have to download, and that's what you have to show at the center along with your Aadhaar card. When you enter, they register you, and you are asked to take a photo of basically a small paper which is written that you're getting this particular vaccine on this day and you need to come after 6 to 8 weeks. They also give you a token after your vaccination, which basically has a tick mark saying first dose done and second dose is pending. You have to get it on your next visit. But besides that, you have it on SMS. You get an SMS alert. Plus your CoWIN website, your portal is also updated. In terms of side effects, so one is that they give you 2 tablets that you have to take, which is compulsory, even though you may not have body ache and other things. So you have to take, it's a paracetamol, 500 mg. You take it for 2 days post lunch and dinner. So they give you that. Yesterday, I had mild body ache and I was just very tired. There was fatigue. Today, yes, I woke up with a lot of body ache and my arm was hurting. And I also was a bit warm. Slightly, I ran a temperature for some time in the afternoon. But yeah, I'm much better. Right? They instruct you really well. They also give you a helpline number. So in case you're experiencing a very bad body ache or something that's really alarming, then you can always call them and assist you. But everything is pretty normal, and the doctors are there to sort of tell you that, so that there's no unnecessary panic